for calling Coco Restaurant. This is Anton speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hey Anthony, good morning. Thanks for answering my call. I am Divine and I want to reserve a table.
Alright, Miss Divine, may I know what time you'd like to book your table for and how many guests will be joining you?
I'd like to book a table for 2 on this coming August 7, Thursday at 8 p.m. Because it's actually for my husband's birthday, so I'm really excited.
Okay, ma'am. I reserved the table for this coming August 7, Thursday in 8 p.m. to celebrate your husband's birthday. We're excited to help you this special evening memorable. Please let me know if you have a special request.
Oh, thanks for checking if there is a quiet spot.
Thank you for your preference, Miss Divine. Let me hold the call for a moment while checking the availability. Quiet table in the back.
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you for waiting, Miss Divine. We do have quiet table available in the back. Would you like me to reserve it for you?
Yes, that would be great. Please reserve the quiet table.
Thank you, ma'am. Just to confirm, you'd like to reserve a table for 2 this coming August 7, Thursday, 8 p.m. under the name Miss Divine. May I kindly have your contact number to finalize the reservation?
Sure. My number is 0967-840-6045.
Thank you for the confirmation, ma'am. The reservation for 2 this coming August 7, Thursday, 8 p.m. under the name of Miss Divine has been noted. The contact number 0967-8406-045 is also confirmed.
Awesome. Thanks for confirming everything.
Thanks for the call, Miss Divine. Looking forward to seeing you then, and have a great day.
Looking forward to it and have a great day.